If you think glass is only made in factories, think again. There's a desert in Africa where the earth itself forges glass. Here's how. It's called the Libyan Desert Glass Field. Hundreds of miles of shimmering natural glass born from ancient meteor impacts. Some pieces are over 28 million years old. Pharaohs once carved jewels from this alien glass, believing it held magical powers. But even today, no one knows all its secrets. There's much more hiding beneath Earth's surface, ready to be discovered.